Welcome to the vibrant start of our incredible ketchup journey. Look at these perfectly ripe tomatoes, glistening in morning sunlight. Our massive harvesters carefully gather the crops at peak ripeness. Thousands of fresh tomatoes pour directly into the transport truck. This massive haul is now heading straight to the factory. Every single tomato here is destined for delicious red ketchup. We have finally arrived at our state-of-the-art processing facility. Watch this spectacular red waterfall of fresh tomatoes tumbling down. They speed down the line to begin the cleaning process. Vibrating tables easily shake away any leftover leaves and dirt. Intense water jets blast away the remaining dust and soil. Crystal clear water ensures every tomato is perfectly clean today. Excess water simply drips away as the tomatoes move forward. Spinning brushes give them a final, vigorous, deep scrub down. Even through the glass, you can see the thorough cleaning. Advanced optical sensors scan the line for any imperfect fruit. Boom! That unripe tomato is instantly rejected from the line. Only the absolute best red tomatoes make the final cut. Our expert inspector Alex keeps a close eye on quality. He catches tiny flaws that the machines might have missed.
This beautiful sea of red is ready for the crusher.
Down they go into the massive stainless steel crushing funnel. Sharp spinning blades quickly slice the tomatoes into juicy chunks. Fresh juice and pulp flow freely from the chopped pieces. Tough stems and cores are separated from the prime fruit. This powerful metal screw pushes the thick pulp right along. See how it churns that beautiful, vibrant red tomato pulp. The raw mixture pours heavily into our giant cooking vat. The temperature rises and the juicy mixture begins to boil. A massive mechanical arm constantly stirs the hot, bubbling mixture. You can see the intense heat right through the glass. Alex manually stirs the heavy vat to ensure perfect consistency. It takes real dedication to monitor this intense cooking process. We take a quick sample to check the rich flavor. The massive cooking vat tilts forward to empty its contents. Look at that spectacular waterfall of hot red tomato puree. Alex carefully monitors the pressure gauges at the control station. He adjusts the flow pressure for the next crucial stage. The hot puree flows smoothly into the advanced milling machine. This machine spins rapidly to extract all seeds and skins. Leftover seeds and skins are spat out for organic compost. The result is an incredibly smooth and vibrant red puree. It fills the holding tank, creating a beautiful swirling vortex. Our massive blending tanks are filling up all at once. Smart digital panels monitor the exact volume in every tank. Pure white sugar cascades down into the rich red base. The sugar instantly dissolves into the hot, swirling tomato puree. Crystal clear vinegar rushes through the pipes under high pressure. Vinegar injects into the vat, creating a beautiful marbled swirl. A secret blend of savory spices falls into the mix. The massive motor powers up to blend everything perfectly together. Watch as the ingredients blend into that classic ketchup color. The smooth, glossy ketchup forms a perfect swirling red vortex. Alex makes sure the final blend is absolutely flawless today. Next, we move into the massive, high-tech pasteurization heating area. Temperatures rise rapidly to pasteurize the delicious ketchup perfectly today. Extreme heat builds inside these massive stainless steel cooking tanks. The thick ketchup boils intensely to lock in the flavor. Maya carefully opens the spigot for a crucial quality check. She collects a steaming sample of our fresh red ketchup. Every batch is carefully weighed and tested in the lab. We test the viscosity for that perfect, thick ketchup pour. Alex uses smart technology to monitor the entire pasteurization process. Powerful industrial pumps push the finished ketchup down the line. The glossy red ketchup flows rapidly through our transparent pipes. Watch those tiny air bubbles race through the thick liquid. Hundreds of empty bottles march down the fast conveyor belt. The empty bottles align perfectly beneath the precise filling nozzles. Bright red ketchup shoots perfectly into every single clear bottle. Look at that beautiful, thick ketchup piling up right there. These freshly filled bottles are now ready for their caps. Green caps drop perfectly into place from the vibrating feeder. High-speed spindles tightly secure the green caps in a blur. Advanced laser scanners ensure every single bottle passes quality control. Massive rolls of colorful labels spin up for the bottles. The roller applies our beautiful branded label in a flash. Here is our perfect finished product marching down the line. Automated machines swiftly fold flat cardboard into perfect shipping boxes. Hot amber glue is rapidly applied to the box flaps. High-speed robotic arms pivot and hover over the moving line. Powerful vacuum suction cups lift 6 bottles at a time. The robotic arm drops the bottles perfectly into the box. This blue robotic arm perfectly packs retail displays for stores. A massive line of packed boxes heads for the sealer. The top flaps are folded and securely taped up tight. An industrial printer sprays the batch codes in sharp text. The heat tunnel tightly shrinks clear plastic around 12 bottles. A fresh wooden pallet drops down onto the moving rollers. This massive robotic arm easily lifts an entire box layer. The boxes are perfectly aligned and stacked on the pallet. Watch this massive pallet stack up in completely record time. The towering pallet rolls straight into the automated wrapping machine. The machine spins quickly to wrap the entire pallet tight. Thick plastic film creates a secure barrier around the boxes. Our warehouse operator Sam approaches with his bright yellow forklift. He slides the heavy metal forks perfectly under the pallet. Sam effortlessly lifts the heavy pallet off the moving line. The forklift glides down the spotless aisle of our warehouse. Welcome to our massive warehouse, filled with delicious red ketchup.